Fergaloo 4G US trail camera. Cellular, subscription free. Application driven, photos, videos, downloadable. We get in the package a tripod holder, a USB-A and DIN cable, a USB-A and C compliance cable, a pair of tweezers, a strap to go around a tree, pole, and more. The cellular antenna, adjustable in 2 angles and 360-degree rotation. Place on top of the unit by screwing on and adjusting out in the field. We have on indicator, IR flash, the camera, the sensing area, left and right. It is IP rated with a lockable door and holder. On the back of the unit is the strap area and the tree or pole area to hug. It is also 1/4 20 thread for tripod and more. Over here, bypassing the 8 included AA batteries for recharging via power bank. USB-C to run the camera inside and download off. Opening up the unit, we have information provided on how to use the unit, and behind the door are 8 AA batteries. Removing the door and the guide how to use the unit. Snap on, we have a test, and the on, a speaker. We have the menu, mode, shoot, playback buttons, up, down, left, and right, and OK button. Included SDXC card, 32 gig, and a SIMS card, all included. USB-C underneath. Turning the unit on for the first time. Set up your application on your smartphone. You have photos, Wi-Fi, the amount of photos and or videos, the date and time. Hitting the playback and going through all the different photos and videos shot. Hitting the menu, deleting off the videos and or photos by following the information. Hitting the menu, we have information to go through, setting up photos and videos, resolution of 1296p, 60 megapixel photos to work time and more. Hitting menu backs out and setting on with the camera on. The unit is now active and can be placed anywhere imaginable. Close up, lock down, secure down. Opening up the application, we have the gallery and information provided. Everything on the camera is located on the application. To go further over the camera, the manual is included with 5 different languages to go over. The Fergaloo Trail Cam, application driven, set up. Notifications when action, daytime, nighttime. GPS, location. We'll see what the trail cam can capture. The trail cam we're checking up on, see if we get any shots of animals. And we don't see any action to the trail cam. And there is the video of setting up. Place it anywhere, be anywhere. The trail cam's 2 IR sensors, as you can see. Trail cam is portable, movable, tree to tree, taking off the strap or taking off the mount. The trail cam can be put anywhere, on a mountain, a trail, as long as service. Enjoy your trail cam, if this is what you are after, for your hunting, observation, surveillance needs. Thank you. for viewing.